Hey, I'm Charlie, and I'm outside on this very windy day to share with you a very, very quick trick that might help eliminate any creaking you're having on your YT Jeffsy or Capra, or probably a bunch of their other bikes too. Okay, so the trick is this. If you've got creaking that sounds like it's coming from your bottom bracket, before you start messing with that, which is a huge pain, and I know that from personal experience, try torquing this bolt, and maybe even this one, to whatever the appropriate spec is for your model. In the case of the Jeffsy, the torque spec is actually even printed right on the bolts, so try torquing those to spec. I had what I was absolutely convinced was a bottom bracket creak, to the point that I took the bottom bracket out, cleaned it, pressed it back in, took it out again, replaced it with a new one. Still didn't fix the problem. Torqued this one to spec, noise gone. Like that. This obviously won't solve all potential creaking issues, but it takes 5 seconds and all it requires is a torque wrench, so I'd strongly recommend you give this a shot before you do anything more drastic to get rid of your creaking. I've also seen some people say that this bolt or this bolt, if you actually take them out and grease them, that can solve the problem too. I've seen some reports of people getting YT bikes, hearing a creak, pulling one of these out and finding basically no grease at all. So that's another thing you can try. A little bit more involved, but it's just another thing you can check out if you're chasing a pesky creak. So there you have it. Hopefully that helps. If you found this helpful and you appreciated that I didn't waste like 3 minutes of your time at the beginning with a bunch of bullshit about the channel, why don't you subscribe to the channel so that in the future you might even care about that bullshit. And those of you who are subscribers, this is not this week's video. This is just a quick thing I wanted to put out there in case it was helpful to other folks who have YT bikes. But I post new videos that are more substantial every week, and we will have one this week as well. So yeah, stick around, subscribe, hit the like button, look out for the real video later this week, and get out and enjoy your bikes. It's beautiful out here.